Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're gonna get back to ELA. We're gonna get started with Anne of Green Gables. We left off on chapter 5. Everybody should have already listened to the audio recording of chapter 5. And then there was a question that you were supposed to answer about what happened at the end of chapter 5. So now today we're gonna be moving on to chapter 6. Our aim for today is I can retell events from the chapter using sentence strips. And as you can see, we have some sentence strips right here. You guys are already familiar with sentence strips and how they work, and we've done activities with them before in the past. So I feel like you guys will be good to go and you will know what to do. So our goal for today is to listen to chapter 6. We're going to listen to a read aloud of it. And then you guys are going to use the sentence strips that I've attached to sequence the story and retell the events from the beginning, middle to end. So you'll be putting them in the correct order in which they happened. So before we do that, I just want to practice with an activity together. So I'm going to start by asking you guys a question, and I want you to think about this. Have you ever told the truth, but the person you were telling the truth to didn't believe you? They thought maybe you were lying. So think about that for a second. Have you ever told the truth, but maybe someone didn't believe you that you were telling the truth? So today I'm going to be telling you guys a story about two girls named Emma and Kate. And I want you guys to listen to the story. And then when we're done, we're going to retell the story using these sentence strips. And we're going to talk about what Emma did when Kate didn't believe her. Okay? So listen up, and I'm going to read you guys the story about Emma and Kate. Emma asked Kate to return the shirt that Kate borrowed on Saturday. Emma wanted to wear it to the football game. Kate reminded Emma that she had returned the shirt. "That's a lie," said Emma. Kate took 2 deep breaths because she did not want to become angry. Kate looked right into Emma's eyes. Kate said, "On Monday, we were talking with Jan in the locker room. That is when I gave you the shirt." Emma checked her locker and found her shirt. Emma told Kate, "I'm sorry that I called you a liar. Please forgive me." Wow. Okay, guys, I'm going to read that story one more time, and then we're going to talk about it, okay? Emma asked Kate to return the shirt that Kate borrowed on Saturday. Emma wanted to wear it to the football game. Kate reminded Emma that she had returned the shirt. "That's a lie," said Emma. Kate took 2 deep breaths because she did not want to become angry. Kate looked right into Emma's eyes. Kate said, "On Monday, we were talking with Jan in the locker room. That is when I gave you the shirt." Emma checked her locker and found her shirt. Emma told Kate, "I'm sorry that I called you a liar. Please forgive me." Okay, so in this story, the character Emma, she made a mistake, right? And she accused Kate of stealing her shirt or lying about returning it. But then she felt pretty silly when she found the shirt that Kate had borrowed in her locker, just like Kate told her it would be, right? So that wasn't a very nice thing of Emma to do, and maybe she should have checked her locker before she accused Kate of being a liar, right? Okay. So now what we're going to do is we have a number of sentence strips here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentence strips, and they all discuss a different event from the story. So our job is to read each of these strips, and then we're going to put them in order from beginning, middle to end. And then we can use these strips to help us retell the story. So before we put them in order, I just want to read over each of the strips. So we have Kate took 2 deep breaths because she did not want to become angry. Emma checked her locker and found the shirt. Kate reminded Emma that she had returned the shirt. Emma told Kate she was sorry for calling her a liar, and Kate looked right into Emma's eyes. So I need to figure out what happened first, next, then, last, and I'm going to use the story to help me remember. So I can go back to the beginning of the story. It said Emma asked Kate to return the shirt that Kate borrowed because Emma wanted to wear it to the football game. And then Kate reminded Emma that she had already returned the shirt. So let's look and see. We have Kate reminded Emma that she had returned the shirt. Emma told Kate she was sorry. Kate took 2 deep breaths. So I'm noticing that these 4 are about after Emma accuses Kate of being a liar. So I think the first one is going to be Kate reminded Emma that she had returned the shirt. Oops, my tape got messed up. So I would take this one and put it first for Kate reminded Emma that she had returned the shirt. Then I need to figure out what happened next. I have Kate took 2 deep breaths because she did not want to become angry. Emma checked her locker. Kate looked right into Emma's eyes, and Emma told Kate she was sorry. So I know that checking the locker and Emma saying she was sorry, I know those are going to come to the end, at the end of the story, because that was events that happened at the end. So I know I'm not going to be using these 2 yet. So I need to figure out if what's coming next is Kate looked right into Emma's eyes, or if it should be Kate took 2 deep breaths because she did not want to become angry. So since I don't remember, I'm just going to go back to the story. So Emma said that she had returned the shirt. That's a lie, said Emma. Kate took 2 deep breaths. So there's my answer. Next, after she reminded Emma that she had returned the shirt, the next event from the sentence strips would be that she took 2 deep breaths so that she wouldn't become angry. Then it says that Kate looked Emma right in her eyes. So that would be what comes next. Then I have to decide if it should be that Emma checked her locker and found the shirt, or Emma told Kate she was sorry for calling her a liar. And I know without even checking the story that the first thing that had to happen was that Emma checked the locker and found her shirt, because she wouldn't be apologizing to Kate for calling her a liar unless she had checked the locker and found her shirt. So now I can use these sentence strips. I can just reread them kind of like a paragraph, and it will be a summary of the events from the story. So I have 2 girls, Kate and Emma. Kate reminded Emma that she had returned the shirt. Kate took 2 deep breaths because she did not want to become angry. Kate looked right into Emma's eyes. Emma checked her locker and found the shirt. Emma told Kate she was sorry for calling her a liar. Okay, so that's how we use our sentence strips to retell the main events from the story or from a chapter. So what you guys are going to be doing next is you're going to listen to chapter 6, the audiobook of chapter 6, which I've posted along with this lesson. So you'll listen to that first. I'd like you guys to listen at least 2 times to really make sure that you understand what's happening in the chapter. And then you're going to go back to the lesson on Google Classroom, and there's some sentence strips attached. And I'd like you guys to do the same exact thing that Miss E just did. You're going to listen to the chapter, and then you're going to put the events from the chapter, from the sentence strips, in order. Okay, so listen to chapter 6, enjoy it, and then you'll get to work on your sentence strips. All right, good job, guys.